Hi friends, this is CA Kiran Kumar. Today, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi launched a platform for transparent taxation for honoring honest taxpayers. The main objective of this platform is to do faceless assessments. We can otherwise say e-assessments. అసలు ఫేస్లెస్ అసెస్మెంట్స్ ఎలా చేస్తారు, దాని కీ ఫీచర్స్ ఏంటి అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషనల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ టు డూ ఈ అసెస్మెంట్ అనే విషయాన్ని ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. ది మెయిన్ కీ ఫీచర్ ఆఫ్ ఈ అసెస్మెంట్ ఈజ్ creation of central cell, which shall be the single point of contact between the taxpayer and income tax department. And another key feature of e-assessment is cases selected for scrutiny to allocate to assessment units in random manner by the central cell. Means your scrutiny case is not only subjected or restricted to your jurisdiction but also taken up by the officials which are located other than your jurisdiction. Suppose you are in Visakhapatnam, your scrutiny case will be taken up by the Hyderabad jurisdiction tax officers also. So that is not only restricted to your city but also can be extended to the other city also. And the organizational structure విషయానికి వస్తే this is mainly divided into two assessment centers, National E-Assessment Center and Regional E-Assessment Center. This National E-Assessment Center will be act as a central cell between the taxpayer and the income tax department, which is located in Delhi, and the head of this assessment center will be Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. And there are 8 regional assessment centers are set up at Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Pune, Bangalore and Hyderabad. And each regional e-assessment center will be divided into 4 units, that is assessment unit, verification unit, technical unit and review unit. And each regional assessment center will be head by Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. And now we'll see how the whole operation works. Taxpayers selected for scrutiny assessment will receive notices under section 143 subsection 2 of Income Tax over email or the registered mobile number through National Assessment Centers. Within 15 days from the notice, the taxpayer has to respond electronically on the income tax e-filing portal. Once the response received from the taxpayer, the national allocation centers will allocate the matter to the regional e-assessment centers by an automated system. As I have already mentioned that this will be completely on random basis. Regional assessment centers will start the e-assessment by allocating the same to assessment unit, which will perform the function of making assessment, which includes identification of points or issues, material for the determination of any liability. The same will be forwarded to the verification unit to perform the function of verification, which includes inquiry, cross verification, examination of books of accounts, examination of witness and recording of statements and such other functions as may be required for the purpose of verification, with the help of technical unit, which will perform the function of providing technical assistance, which includes any assistance or legal advice, accounting, forensic, information technology, valuation and any other technical matter. After the completion of all, will prepare the draft assessment order, which will be sent to the review unit to perform the function of review of a draft assessment order, which includes checking whether the relevant and material evidences has been brought on record, and the same draft assessment order will be sent by the regional assessment centers to the national assessment centers. After the receipt of the final draft assessment order, the national assessment centers shall follow the specific procedure to finalize the assessment order or serve a show-cause notice on the taxpayer before finalizing the assessment order. On the completion of the assessment, the National Assessment Centers transfer all the electronic records of this case to the proper assessing officer. The personal hearing with the taxpayers or his representative may be allowed in certain scenarios, but exclusively through video conferencing or through video telephony. So this is the total procedure for e-assessments or faceless assessments. Apart from that, there are some exceptions from the faceless assessments. They are serious frauds, major tax evasion, sensitive search matters, international tax, Black Money Act and Benami property. So this is for the day. Hope you like the video. If you like, please share. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting updates. Thank you very much.